So you've got a road trip planned. Awesome! Here are 5 suggestions of how to best capture those memories along the way. Number 1, structure. Think about the structure of the story, the beginning, the middle, and the end. The road trip doesn't start when you get in the vehicle. It begins in the planning, the packing, and the panicking. So shoot a few photos to show these preparation steps. In the middle, capture all the fun, wild, and strange moments along the way. As you travel, keep in mind the storyline of the trip and what photos you can capture to show that story. For the ending, you want to give your viewers a sense of closure. It could be the road home, the last stop for gas, or opening the front door. Consider what you want to convey to finish your story. Number 2, wide, medium, tight. Vary the focal length you shoot with. A good visual story makes use of each of these angles. Wide shots are good to set the scene and show the surroundings. Medium shots are a good way to give the viewer a look of what's going on and who's part of it. Tight shots really show the details that tell the story. To say people were tired after a hike, don't show a wide shot of everyone at a picnic table, shoot a detail shot of the dusty boots. Number 3, capture the boring. When photographing a road trip, remember to capture the boring moments that happen along the way. I often remember the times I slow down to appreciate the moment rather than trying to actively be part of everything going on. Good storytelling includes the everyday details. On a road trip, moments like refilling gas, listening to music, preparing for a hike, and making food are all part of the story. Because like any good trip, the journey is more important than the destination. Number 4, get imperfectly creative. Try new things. Experiment with your camera. Look for different perspectives like low and high angles. Try framing with the foreground. Use mirrors. Shoot with low shutter speed or high shutter speed. Think about how you would normally capture photos and push the boundary to try something new. When telling a visual story, it is more important to capture the moment than to have the photo be technically perfect. Often this means photos are out of focus or slightly blurry. This can capture the experience in a much more profound way than a perfect photo. Feel free to be creative and learn along the way. Number 5, the human element. As humans, we connect well with the story of other humans. Whether you're traveling with a group of friends, with a partner, or solo, there are endless opportunities to capture the unique stories and fun moments of the people around you. If you're traveling with others, snap some candid shots of them exploring, laughing, and being in the moment. And if you're flying solo, shoot some self-portraits along the way to show your experience. Photo magic also happens when we capture local culture or other travelers. Candid photos can be a great way to do this, but always remember to be respectful and ask permission. Overall, authentic moments are what make a travel experience truly special, and capturing the human connection is key. However you photograph your road trip, remember to put down the camera and experience it for yourself. For an example of a road trip I photographed, check out my recent film about a trip to the Strawberry Wilderness. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and until next time, peace! Are we done?